Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the volume composition indicator. Alright, so let us start by adding the indicator to our chart. Okay, the volume composition indicator. Alright, so if you are familiar with volume indicators, right, you shouldn't find this indicator difficult to use. Okay, and if you are a fan of volume analysis, then you might want to take advantage of this indicator. So we can see that, based on the settings, the indicator changes color depending on the dominating volume. All right, as we can see, the dominating volume, the dominating acting volume. All right, and then we will notice that when the high buy volume threshold is exceeded, this is the color that is being displayed. Now we want to go through the settings so that we can understand what each color represents, right? And then when the high sell volume threshold is exceeded, we have this magenta color being displayed, right? And then so yeah, these are the different colors for the bars. So the high buy volume, we have this sort of dark green, and the high sell volume threshold, we have the magenta or the maroon color, right? So now let us compare with what the price is saying. Okay, so now we noticed that whenever there is an increase in volume or a surge in volume, right, you will notice like what happened here, a surge in momentum. It doesn't matter whether it's to the upside or to the downside. You will notice that the histogram bars usually climb up right above this line. Okay, because the indicator has a line and then it also has histogram bars. So when the momentum surges, you will notice the histogram bars rising above the line. Okay, the histogram bars tend to propel upwards, and you can see that the color here indicates that it is sell pressure. You can see this dark red color or the maroon or magenta, right? I think this should be like a maroon or ox blood color, right? So it is the color being displayed that should indicate that this is bearish momentum, right? So let's look for when we had a surge in bullish. So you can see that the color was actually green, right? And you can see dark green. So whenever you have the volume not high, you will notice that the histogram bars will be below the line, right? The histogram bars are below the indicator line, and then you will also notice that the they are fluctuating, right? But whenever there is a spike in volume, that is when you have the histogram bars also spike above the indicator line. So you can pay attention to the color differences and the length of the histogram bars. Okay, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.